Welcome to Compare to Win. The best GoPro Hotshoe Mount is probably one of the most versatile accessories you can get for your action camera, allowing you to attach it to a wide range of gear like cameras, cages, and rigs, opening up a world of new creative possibilities for capturing stunning footage from unique angles. This small but mighty adapter can transform your GoPro setup, enabling you to mount it alongside other cameras or on tripods and monopods, making it an essential tool for any serious vlogger or filmmaker looking to elevate their content. Number 5. TELESIN Anti-Slip Backpack Strap Mount Clip. Introducing the TELESIN Anti-Slip Backpack Strap Mount Clip, your perfect companion for capturing action-packed moments. This mount offers a secure and stable way to attach your camera. Designed with an adjustable shoulder pad, it fits a wide variety of backpack straps. This ensures a snug and versatile fit for all your outdoor gear. Whether you're hiking, biking, or skiing, this mount is perfect for capturing POV shots. It offers a unique perspective, lower than a head strap and more stable than a helmet mount. Crafted with soft, elastic nylon and a shock-absorbing base, it provides a comfortable and stable shooting experience. Enjoy reduced camera shake for clearer, higher-quality videos. This mount boasts great compatibility with a vast range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 models. It also works with many point-and-shoot cameras and camcorders. Your package includes the backpack strap mount, a J-hook, and a screw. We also offer a 90-day money-back warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This mount offers an adjustable fit for various strap sizes, ensuring comfort during long adventures. Its ergonomic design distributes weight evenly for a stable, shake-free recording experience. If you're looking for a versatile option that prioritizes comfort and broad compatibility for activities like hiking or biking, this is a great choice. What people say. Paired this with a telescoping selfie stick really allowed me to keep a small form factor and hands-free when walking, then easily switch to my selfie stick when I needed it, easy to attach to most standard backpack straps, and the space from ball joint allowed me to check my shot while walking so I didn't have to use the GoPro app all the time. The strap feels solid and secure once it's attached to the backpack and it doesn't slip around like I expected it might. I really like the quick connect and dual mounting system because it lets me easily disconnect the camera and go handheld without having to swap mounts or adjust anything. The 360 head is also great because it lets me adjust the camera angle quickly on the fly, which is perfect when I'm switching between walking, hiking, or biking. Fit both devices well. I was concerned about clearance for the GoPro housing when I opened it. It clears perfectly and there's plenty of room for tilting the camera where you need it. I bounced up and down and it held the heavier GoPro in place well. One particular thing I like about the design is the monopod mount on the bottom. It is my favorite feature of this and sets this one apart from others. Number 4. ULANZI R099 Super Clamp with Ballhead. Introducing the ULANZI R099, a super clamp designed for ultimate versatility. It easily attaches to tubes from 0.51 to 2.36 inches in diameter, supporting up to 3.3 pounds. Effortlessly switch between different mounting points without the hassle of screws. This allows for rapid and simple adjustments to your camera's perspective. Achieve any angle you desire with the 360 degrees rotating ball head. A quick turn of the knob locks it securely in place, ready for your shot. Equipped with a 1/4-inch screw, it's perfect for a wide range of devices including monitors, action cameras, DSLRs, LED lights, and microphones. Constructed from sturdy aluminum alloy with precise CNC processing, this mount is built to last. It also features a protective rubber pad to prevent scratches on your equipment. Your purchase includes the super clamp with ball head and a GoPro adapter, providing everything you need to get started. What we like. Featuring a super clamp design, this mount attaches securely to tubes from 0.51 to 2.36 inches. The 360 degrees ball head allows for infinite angle adjustments, and it's built from durable aluminum alloy with protective rubber. If you need a robust and flexible mounting solution for handlebars, poles, or roll bars on bikes or motorcycles, this clamp is ideal. What people say. I have never found a fence it wouldn't hold on to. It has never broken, it hasn't lost camera position, and it has allowed me to find a good position to record video looking up the first and third base lines without the fence wire being in the video. This is a very solid mount. It is heavy enough to stabilize itself. Grips the handle of my boat rock solid. What a pleasant surprise to discover it's a solidly built metal mount. Very nice. Number 3. MINIFOCUS Hotshoe to GoPro Mount Adapter. Easily attach your action camera to any standard Hotshoe mount. This adapter provides a stable and secure connection for all your adventures. Crafted from high-quality aluminum with CNC machining, this mount is rust-proof, rugged, and built for durability. It's designed to withstand the demands of your next adventure. Featuring silicone padding, it prevents scratches and increases friction to keep your equipment safe. The specialized screw ensures a stable hold, even in tight spots. Mounted on tripods, selfie sticks, or light stands using the 1/4-foot-20 thread, or directly onto your camera's Hotshoe. It offers flexible solutions for various shooting scenarios. The glove-friendly thumbscrew allows for quick and secure tightening, ensuring your camera stays in the perfect position. It comes with both the adapter and a matching thumbscrew. Perfect for a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro and DJI Osmo action models, as well as many others. It's your go-to accessory for versatile camera setups. What we like. Constructed from high-quality aluminum with CNC machining, this adapter ensures rust-proof durability. It features anti-twist and anti-scratch silicone padding for secure mounting and protects your gear. If you need to mount your action camera onto a tripod, selfie stick, or directly onto your camera's Hotshoe for stable shots, this adapter is a solid pick. What people say. The metal design is rigid, and it has a very nice tightening knob which allows easy use for a tightening knob. Fit camera perfectly and holds it on rough SXS rides and bike rides. The aluminum texture has a sense of luxury and I am very satisfied. Number 2. TELESIN 360 Strap Mount. Introducing the TELESIN 360 Strap Mount, the ultimate accessory for your action camera. Its innovative design allows for limitless creative possibilities. Experience true 360-degree rotation with our adjustable and flexible mount. Capture every angle with ease, no matter the situation. Featuring 2 locking holes, this versatile band securely fits bar objects ranging from 22mm to 60mm in diameter. Enjoy a stable and reliable mount every time. Crafted from super high-quality silicone, it offers exceptional durability and flexibility. This wrap band is designed to withstand the rigors of any adventure. Attach it to your bike, motorcycle, fishing rod, selfie stick, or any roll bar and tube. It's the perfect companion for capturing all your exciting moments. This mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, Insta360, DJI Osmo, Acaso, and many more. Your favorite camera will fit perfectly. What we like. This mount boasts a 360 degrees rotation capability and is made from a flexible, high-quality silicone band. It features 2 locking hole sizes to fit bars from 22 to 38mm and 45 to 60mm. If you want a versatile wraparound mount that can attach to a wide range of objects like bike handlebars, fishing rods, or roll bars for dynamic shots, this is your go-to. What people say. This is a pretty versatile mount for poles or rods. I've used it on a trekking pole so far, but I can think of a number of other suitable applications for it. Good quality and design. Works well and sturdy hold for GoPro. The uses of this mount are limited only by your creativity. This wraps around a lot of different things and holds your GoPro in place. Number 1. ULANZI GoQuick 2 Neck Mount. Introducing the ULANZI GoQuick 2, the second-generation neck mount designed for ultimate hands-free filming. Experience the world from your unique perspective with this innovative camera accessory. Effortlessly attach and detach your camera with its convenient magnetic suction and quick-release system. It's designed for seamless integration into your adventures. Enjoy unparalleled comfort with its soft silicone and a design that fits perfectly to your shoulder and neck. Bend it to any angle you need, as its durable construction ensures it won't easily break. Capture life's moments with an immersive POV. Whether you're riding, exploring the outdoors, or even cooking, it frees your hands for a truly engaging visual experience. The magnetic clasp makes installation a breeze. Simply align and let the magnet guide it into place, allowing you to focus on capturing the shot without fumbling. Featuring a non-slip texture and a strong aluminum strip, this mount provides a secure and stable platform for your action camera, ensuring clear and steady footage. What we like. This neck mount offers a comfortable, skin-friendly silicone design with a built-in aluminum support for unlimited bending angles. The magnetic clasp allows for quick and easy installation without needing to look down. If you're seeking a hands-free POV perspective for activities like cooking, drawing, or vlogging where you want to capture your view effortlessly, this magnetic necklace holder is perfect. What people say. This neck mount is comfortable, strong, and most of all, it's super easy to adjust. The magnetic quick release is the best part, snaps on fast, feels secure, and makes it ridiculously easy to switch between filming and just enjoying the moment without messing with straps or mounts. The silicone neck band is comfortable, easy to shape for the angle you want, and it stays in place while walking around. Super comfortable and light. Locks unlocks easily. Magnetic mount is a cinch to attach and securely locks by inserting and rotating, unlocks with a button press and reverse rotation. Finger mount for directly attaching a GoPro or, what I prefer, attaching the magnetic latch mount. Not over-engineered, simple to use, no finicky parts or pieces to lose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.